But right after I got selected was when he told me that I'll have to learn horse riding. I said okay, and I started right then immediately. Like I think 20 days later, my uncle has an equestrian center in Bangalore, very close to my house. It's
Okay.
called Zippy Equestrian. Now they have expanded and they're huge. So there I started learning. So Solar was my first horse there. So I started learning horse riding there, and then by the end, probably, and by the time I started shooting, I could jump the horse. I'm not like properly, but at least I knew I was confident enough to sit on him until it jumped. So I went up till there, and I was happy. I love horse riding now. It's something that I think gives me a lot of joy because I was scared initially because it's very a car is an again non-living thing. It's easy to control, but this has its own mind. He can go anywhere, to control all of that.
And both of you should have a sync.
Yeah, we should. And then they understand the minute you sit, horses understand. They know if you're scared or what your mood of that day is. So thankfully, I've gotten to the point that I'm not that scared anymore. So I can sit on a horse, any which horse. It's because my shooting horse was different. His name was Danny.
Okay.
He was a wonderful boy. He was, I mean, I think first he took time, first day to understand me, and I took time. But after that, I think both of us knew how to work around each other because we had some rough terrain to, ride the horse on. It wasn't just like a normal, like it wasn't like a ground or just mud or anything. We had to climb a mountain together, a hill together. We were riding on, we came down the mountain once, and it's all very, especially when it is like almost like 75 degrees down. My complete belief and trust is on the horse because if he slips and then I fall front,
Okay.
then I break bones for sure. And while going up, if he slips, he will fall on me, and then I'm probably going. It's done, or breaking bones again.
Okay.
Thankfully, he trusted me and I trusted him, and we did it together.